Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are delving into an integral aspect of quality management, the management review meetings as per ISO 9001. These meetings play a crucial role in ensuring the effectiveness and continual improvement of a quality management system. Let's explore the key principles and processes involved in management review meetings within the framework of ISO 9001. Purpose and importance. At the heart of ISO 9001 is the commitment to quality, and management review meetings serve as a strategic mechanism to uphold this commitment. The purpose is clear: to evaluate the performance of the quality management system. These meetings provide an opportunity for top management to assess the system's suitability, adequacy, and effectiveness in meeting both internal objective and external requirements. Frequency and timing. ISO 9001 recommends that management review meetings are held at planned intervals. The frequency and timing should be determined based on the needs and risks of the organization. Regular reviews ensure that the quality management system remains aligned with the organization's strategic direction and adapts to changes in the internal and external context. Involvement of top management. A key principle is the active involvement of top management. ISO 9001 underscores the importance of having top management lead and participate in management review meetings. This involvement demonstrates leadership commitment to quality and ensures that decisions made during the reviews align with the organization's overall business strategy. Agenda and key agenda items. Planning is essential for a successful management review meeting. ISO 9001 recommends establishing an agenda that includes key agenda items such as the performance of the quality management system, changes in the internal and external context, and the status of actions from previous reviews. A well-structured agenda ensures that the meeting remains focused on critical aspects of quality management. Reviewing the quality policy and objectives. During the management review meeting, a critical aspect is the review of the organization's quality policy and objectives. ISO 9001 mandates an assessment of their continuing suitability. This ensures that the quality policy and objectives remain relevant and supportive of the organization's strategic direction and customer satisfaction goals. Addressing non-conformities and opportunities for improvement. Another fundamental element of management review meetings is the discussion of non-conformities and opportunities for improvement. ISO 9001 requires organizations to evaluate the need for changes to the quality management system, including resources and processes. Addressing non-conformities and seizing opportunities for improvement is integral to the continual enhancement of the system. Record keeping and documentation. ISO 9001 places emphasis on record keeping. The outcomes of management review meetings, including decisions and actions, should be documented. This documentation serves as a valuable reference for assessing the historical performance of the quality management system and ensures accountability for implementing agreed upon actions. Follow-up and continuous improvement. Lastly, the management review meeting is not the end point. It's a starting point for continuous improvement. ISO 9001 encourages organizations to follow up on the decisions and actions arising from the meeting, monitor their implementation, and assess their effectiveness. This commitment to continuous improvement is a key driver of long-term success. In conclusion, management review meetings are the heartbeat of ISO 9001's commitment to quality. By actively engaging top management, addressing key agenda items, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can leverage these meetings to ensure the ongoing effectiveness of their quality management systems. Thank you for joining us today, and I encourage you to apply these principles in your organization's pursuit of excellence. And if you have found value in our videos, Please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.